What is going on, everyone? Welcome back to the channel. Today we have something truly special sitting right in front of us, the 2027 Toyota Sienna Ultra. And I have to be honest with you, when Toyota first teased this thing, I was skeptical. A minivan that looks this aggressive? This luxurious? I had to see it with my own eyes. So let us get into it. Walking up to the front of this car, the first thing that hits you is just how wide and planted this thing looks. You have a massive blacked-out grille with these aggressive horizontal slats, flanked by razor-sharp LED daytime running lights that sweep across the entire front fascia. There is red accent lighting tucked into the lower corners of the bumper, which gives it this almost supercar-inspired energy. Now walk around to the back, and this is where things get really interesting. The full-width LED taillight bar is stunning. It uses a pixel dot matrix design that lights up in a way that honestly reminds me of a high-end luxury sedan. The carbon fiber rear diffuser at the bottom is aggressive and purposeful. The Toyota badge sits centered and proud, and the license plate reads simply, Sienna. Open those power sliding doors and step inside, and I promise you, your jaw will drop. The dashboard is dominated by a massive panoramic screen that spans nearly the full width of the cabin. You have a digital instrument cluster on the left, a central infotainment display, and a separate control panel on the right, all seamlessly integrated. The trim is finished in blue carbon fiber with Alcantara accents, and the branding reads Sienna Ultra throughout. Under the hood, Toyota is expected to continue with a refined hybrid powertrain, potentially pushing output beyond 350 horsepower in this Ultra configuration. Expect smooth, near-silent acceleration, all-wheel drive capability, and a range of around 700 kilometers in combined driving. Now, the big question, what will this cost? Based on positioning and features, we are predicting a starting price somewhere around $65,000 to $75,000 for the Sienna Ultra trim. Toyota is expected to officially reveal full pricing at the Tokyo Motor Show later this year, with a market launch plan for early 2027.